The review of episode 157 of Kurulus Osman captures the intense dynamics unfolding within the Kai tribe during Orhan Bey and Elsem Hatun's wedding. It effectively highlights the brewing tensions, particularly Osman Bey's struggle for alliances against Yaqub Bey and Kandaroglu, and the emergence of a new threat in Ukleir. The review aptly delves into the complexities of rivalries, such as Malaik Hatun's clash with Bala Hatun and Malhoun Hatun, as well as the confrontation between Ahmet and Alaeddin Bey. These conflicts add layers of intrigue and drama to the narrative, keeping viewer engaged and anticipating the next developments. Additionally, the review acknowledges the strong performances of the cast, with special mention of Burak Özçivit as Osman Bey and Yıldız Kagri Etiksoy as Malhoun Hatun, contributing to the show's compelling storyline. Overall, the review effectively captures the essence of the episode, enticing viewer with the promise of more intense drama, alliances being tested, and the ongoing struggle for power and honor within the narrative of Kurulus Osman.